Good afternoon, everybody. It's a beautiful day here in Maryville, isn't it? Me and Gabby are out in the garden today. I had a good friend talk about, see our video last week, and she mentioned that, let's talk about compost a little bit. We have three different piles right here. We have the ABC of compost. It's a little bit of nitrogen, which is grass clippings that I cut yesterday, right? And what is this, Gabby? Leaves. So basically to make the grass clippings and the leaves turn into this compost, and look at the color of this too. Nutrient rich, holds moisture, certainly the best planting medium there is. Excuse me. So let's talk about some do's and don'ts of compost. So what you want to do is you want to have about 70% nitrogen. That could be grass clippings, eggshells, vegetable trimmings, anything that's green that has a lot of this nitrogen in it. 70% nitrogen and 30% leaves, and all you do is stir it up. Maybe if it's dry, give it just a little bit of water to it, and then it may take you a month, maybe 2 months to constantly stir, and you get down to this primo garden material. And why that's so important is we know we can grow a tomato between two rocks, don't we, Gabby? Yes, she's like Vanna White, isn't she? But the roots are so delicate, you need the best possible medium. So check out this soil here. If your soil doesn't look like this, and I'm just gonna dig just a little bit in here. Darren, can you get that? I mean, if you can't dig with your hand into this compost and you have to use a big shovel, you probably need to rethink your garden strategy. Instead of planting more, you need to work on amending the soil, adding compost to it, and yada yada. It's easy to do. As far as the grass clippings, you can use a rake, you can use a push mower with a bag attachment. You could have your friend John Deere over here, and we probably make a good year's anywhere between 60 and 80 yards of compost. So certainly helps the whole planting process. Well, looks like we'll be in the kitchen here shortly. Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye.